Hello my dear students of class 5, welcome to Moral Science class once again. In my previous class, I have given you all the answers, okay, and I have given you few exercises of chapter number 2, okay. And I hope you have done in your copy, okay. Everyone should do this in your copy properly and neatly, okay. So today I am going to start a new chapter, okay, chapter number 3, work is important, okay. Work is very important. We should value the work. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the importance of work. Okay. So before starting the story of the chapter, there is a small let's listen. Okay. Now what is that? Okay. First listen that. Then we will read the story. Okay. Then I will tell you the story. So in the let's listen, it is given that Gautam's mother works in office. Okay. And she telephoned. Okay. From her office to his son Gautam that she would be home late. Today she will be late, okay, to home. So she wants, okay, Gautam to empty the trash bin, means to empty the dustbin, okay, and to wash few things, okay, like wash the utensils and all, whatever the dirty utensils are there, okay. So she wants him to empty the trash bin and to wash few things, okay. So Gautam, he became angry and said that it is not his work, it is the work of maid. Okay, so he is not going to do this work, this is the work of maid. So he got angry and he said that it is not his work. Okay, where is the maid? He asked to his mother, and he is not going to do this work. Okay, he is not going to do this work as it is not his work, this is the work of maid. Okay, so what do you think, that Gautam was right? Okay, if his mother would be there at home, she would have done the same thing. That means what? She is maid? No, she is not maid. She is doing her work. Okay, and all the works are important, whether it is a work of maid or whether it is a work of police officer, doctor, whatever it is. All the works are important. Okay, so if his mother would be there at home, then what she would have not done? She would have done this work. That doesn't mean that she has done the work of the maid. All the works are important. Okay, it's not necessary that only maid will wash the utensils or she will clean the home. It's not like that. We can also do. So different kinds of people do different kinds of work. Okay, so all the works are important. Okay, so now we are going to read a story. Okay, and we will understand the value of work and money. Okay, so now let's read and then we will understand the story. Okay, what the story tells us. Okay, so now let's read. The story name is The Value of Work and Money. Harvinder was a rich and hard-working farmer. He had one big worry in his life, his son Kuldeep. Kuldeep did not do any work on the farm. He felt that farm work was dirty and beneath his dignity because he was a rich man's son. He treated the farm workers badly. One day, he threw away a small gift a shepherd boy had given him. This made his father angry. So Harvinder was a rich and hard-working farmer. Though he was rich, okay, and hard-working farmer, still he has one worry in his life. Okay. Now what was that worry? The worry was his son Kuldeep. Okay, his own son Kuldeep was big worry for him in his life because Kuldeep did not do any work on the farm. Okay, he did not do any work on the farm. And why he did not do any work on the farm? Because Kuldeep felt that the work on the farm is dirty. Okay, it is dirty and it is below his dignity. Means that it is below his status as he is the son of the rich farmer. Okay, so it is below his dignity. Okay, so he is not going to do this dirty work on the farm. And he even treated the farm workers very badly. Okay, he treated them badly. Okay, and one day what he have done, that a small shepherd boy, okay, had given him a small gift. Okay, so what he did, he threw it. The shepherd boy was poor and he earned the money. Okay, and he have collected, he have saved some money and he have bought small gift for that Kuldeep, for the boy Kuldeep. Okay, but what this Kuldeep has done? He threw that gift. Why he have threw? Because he did not value the money. He was thinking that he is the son of rich farmer. Okay, so he is not going to do the dirty works. Okay, what he say? Shepherd boy has given him a small gift. Okay, so he threw it. Why? Because he did not value the money. He don't know the value of money. That is why he threw the gift. But the shepherd boy who gave him, okay, he knows how he have saved the money as he was poor. Still he, what do you say? Still he managed to give him a small gift and he threw it. And he threw it. So by seeing this all, what happened? Kuldeep's father got angry. When this Kuldeep father saw that, this, what do you say? When Kuldeep father saw that Kuldeep has thrown the gift given by the shepherd boy, he got very angry. Okay, so he decided to teach him a lesson. Okay, so anyone will get angry. Anyone will get angry as he did not value the work and he did not value the money. Okay, so anyone will get angry. So now let's see the next paragraph. Harvinder decided to teach Kuldeep a lesson. He said to Kuldeep, from now on, you must earn your own meal. Go and work to earn ₹10 if you want your next meal. So Harvinder decided to teach him a lesson. Okay, Harvinder decided to teach him a lesson. He said that Harvinder said to his son Kuldeep that you have to earn your own meal. That means that whatever his father is giving him 3 times meal, that breakfast, lunch and dinner, so he have to earn that meal now. Okay, he is not going to get for free. He have to earn that meal. He have to earn the next meal. And how he will earn? If he will earn 10 rupees, that means he will get the next meal. Okay, if he will not earn, he will not get the next meal. So he have to earn the meal. Okay, he have to earn the next meal. He have to earn his own meal. Okay, so now let's see the next paragraph. Kuldeep did not know what to do. As he was wandered down the road, he met his grandmother. She gave him a 10 rupees note and said, here, buy yourself something. Now, Harvinder said him that he have to earn his next meal. Okay, but Kuldeep did not know what to do. Okay, and as he was wandering around the road, okay, he got his grandmother, and grandmother gave him 10 rupees and said him to buy something. She just gave him 10 rupees and said him to buy something for him. Like your grandmother also give you money, okay, sometime to buy the chocolates. Same way, his grandmother also gave him 10 rupees and said him to buy something. Okay, now let's see what happened the next. The boy ran home with the money. When he told his father how he got it, his father said, give it to me. This was not earned. The boy was puzzled. Now the boy was very much happy that he got 10 rupees. His father said that if he want the next meal, he have to earn that meal. Okay, he have to earn 10 rupees, then only he will get the next meal. Now he got the 10 rupees as his grandmother gave him. So he was very much happy that he is going to get the next meal. So he ran at home. Okay, he ran at home very fast. Okay, and he ran at home. Okay, and he was happy that he got 10 rupees. Okay, he had earned 10 rupees. Okay, he thought that he had earned 10 rupees. Okay, and he went home and he said his father how he have got. Okay, so his father said him, give it to me. Okay, it is not earned by you. The boy got puzzled. Okay, he thought that what did the father is saying? He thought that what the father is saying. Okay, the father means that he has not earned the money. Did he earn the money? No, his grandmother gave him to buy something for him. Okay, he have not earned. Okay, that is why the father said that give it to me. Okay, you have not earned this. Okay, you have not earned this. So the boy got puzzled. The boy got confused. Okay, understood? Now let's see what happened the next. Kuldeep set out again. This time he met a friend. Here the friend said, giving him a 5 rupees coin. Here is the money I borrowed from you last week. Kuldeep ran home with it, but this time too Harvinder said, give me the money. It was not earned. Once again Harvinder sent him out to earn his next meal. Kuldeep set out again. Okay, he went out again. Father said that to earn the money. Okay, to earn the money and bring. Okay, so he went out again. So this time he met his friend. Okay, and his friend said that take your 5 rupees. Okay, he gave him 5 rupee coin and said that take this money. Okay, I have borrowed this from you last week. Okay, so I am returning it to you back. Okay, So take this money. Okay, I have borrowed this 5 rupee coin from you last week. Okay, so take it back. Okay, so the boy Kuldeep again took the money and he was happy that he got 5 rupees, and he ran at home again to his father. And when he said his father that how he have got the money, again his father said, give it to me, it is not earned by you. Did he earn? Kuldeep again he have earned the money? No, he have not earned. His friend gave him back what his friend has borrowed from him last week, so he gave him back. So did Kuldeep earn? No, Kuldeep did not earn the money. Okay, so father said him, give it to me, you have not earned this money. Okay, so you go out and earn the money, okay, for the next meal. Okay, so Kuldeep again went out to Kuldeep again went out, okay, thinking that how he will earn the money. Okay, so now let's see the next paragraph. This time an old woman stopped him near the market. Child, can you carry my bags up to my house? See, they are too heavy for me. Kuldeep agreed and carried them home for her. The woman thanked him and gave him some money. So as Kuldeep was sent out, okay, by Harvinder again to go and earn the money, okay. So as he was out, okay, this time, okay, he was stopped by old woman near the market, okay. So the old woman said that, child, will you help me? Okay, will you carry my bags, as these bags are too heavy, okay. So will you carry these bags, okay, my house, as these bags are too heavy. As she was old, okay, and bags were too heavy, so she cannot carry up to her house, okay. So she asks help from the Kuldeep, okay, she asks help from the child Kuldeep, that if he could help him, okay, to carry that heavy bags, okay, to reach her home, up to her home, okay. The child agreed, okay, and said that yes, I will help you, okay, and I will carry this bag, okay, I will carry this bag up to your house, okay. He agreed and said that yes, I will carry this heavy bags, okay, up to your home, okay. So he agreed and he carried the bags to her home. The woman thanked him, okay, the woman thanked him, okay, and gave him some money, okay. What this woman has done, what this old woman has done, she thanked him, okay. Why? As he has held heavy bags up to his home, so she thanked him and gave him some money, okay. Now at the end of the day, the boy showed his father the money, but this time the boy said, father, I earned it. It is only a small amount. The old woman gave it to me for carrying her bags. Now at the end of the day, okay, the boy showed the amount, okay, the boy showed the money. So at the end of the day, the boy showed, the Kuldeep showed the money to his, what he said, father, okay, and he said that this time I have earned this money, father, okay, no one has given me, I have earned it, okay, nobody has given me, okay, without any reason, this time I have earned it. I have helped one old woman, okay, to carry her bags, okay, so at last she thanked me and she gave me some money, okay, so I have earned this money, father, okay, I have earned this money. This time I have earned it, okay. So at the end of the day, okay, Kuldeep showed the money and said that he have earned the money, okay, he have earned it. And how he have earned it? As he have helped one old woman carry her heavy bags to her house, okay. So the old woman had thanked him and gave him some money, though it was small amount, okay, but still he have earned it, okay, he have earned. This time no one gave him, okay, just like this, okay, have earned the money, he said to his father, okay. The old woman has given him this money, okay, for carrying her bags to her home, okay. Now let's see the last paragraph, what this father will tell his son. Harvinder looked at his son silently. Then he smiled and said, now go have your dinner by doing something for which you were paid. You have learned the value of money that is earned. The shepherd bought you a gift with the money he had earned. Nobody gave it to him. It was precious. Kuldeep's eyes filled with tears. I understand now. He said, all work is important and money earned is priceless. So Harvinder looked at his son, okay, and he smiled, okay, as he was very much happy. He was filled with happiness, okay, as his son, who was not doing any work, okay, has earned something, okay, though it was a small amount, okay, but father was very much happy. Father was very much happy as his son has earned something, okay. So Harvinder looked at his son, okay, silently, and he smiled, okay, and he said him, go, son, okay, and have your dinner. As I have said you that to have your meal, okay, you have to earn that meal, okay, so you have earned it, okay, so go and have your dinner, okay. As I have said you, to have a next meal you have to earn, so this time you have earned, okay, go and have the dinner, okay. So son, go and have your meal, okay. Now you have understand the value of money, okay. The work you have done for which you were paid, okay, that work was important. The money you have earned, you have learned the value of that money, dear son, okay. You have learned the importance of that, so you have learned the importance of money. So now you realize that, okay, Shepherd boy gave you a small gift, okay, and he bought it by his own money. He have earned that money, okay. Nobody gave him the money, okay. He bought from his own money, the money which he had earned, okay. Nobody gave him. Kuldeep said that, yes, father, I have understand, okay, now I have understand, okay, and his eyes was full of tears. Kuldeep has understand the value of money. He said that all the works are important, father, okay. The value of money is very much, okay, whether it is a small amount or huge amount, it is very much valuable, okay. As Kuldeep has earned not much, okay, as Kuldeep has not earned much, but still he have earned something. So that was the also, what you say, very much important. That money has also value, okay. So father made him realize, okay, father taught him the lesson. And that as Harvinder has decided that he will teach lesson to his son, so at last he taught the lesson to his son, okay. At last Kuldeep said that all the works are very important. Whether it is a small work, big work, okay, whether it is a small amount of money or huge amount of money, okay, the value of money is very much, okay. So at last he said that all the works are important and the money earned is priceless, okay. So I want my dear students, okay, I also want, okay, my students to value the work, okay. All the work are important, okay. All the works are important. Okay, so we have seen how Kuldeep has also learned, okay, his father has taught him the lesson, okay, the value of work and money, okay. So we should also value the work and we should value the money, okay.